A federal appeals court yesterday heard arguments on whether to reinstitute a gag order on former President Donald Trump in his 2020 election interference case, the federal case. They are weighing now how to strike a balance between the gag order and protecting Trump's free speech rights and his ability to defend himself on the campaign trail. So Scott MacFarlane was in the courtroom, and he joins us now from Washington. Scott, good morning. How did it go?
Well, Anne-Marie, based on what we heard in the room, the judges appear poised to uphold but to narrow the restrictions of this gag order. The original gag order prohibits Trump from making public statements that target the witnesses in the case, the court staff, the special counsel, Jack Smith, his attorneys, and their families. In the room, we heard the judges quickly interject as the special counsel attorney argued that the gag order helps prevent threats and harassment of those involved with the case. And they quickly peppered Trump's lawyer when he argued the gag order would infringe on Trump's First Amendment rights and his ability to campaign. But it was clear the judges spent much more time questioning Trump's lawyer. And one of the judges said that the gag order is impactful. As the trial date approaches, it's possible the number of threats and the amount of harassment increases. The gag order remains on hold, Anne-Marie, pending the ruling from these judges. And there's really no firm timetable for that. Could happen at any time. And it's worth noting this could be appealed to a higher court and eventually to the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, that's what I wanted to ask you about, because Trump's team has already threatened to take this all the way to the Supreme Court, which obviously would delay things quite a bit. I'm wondering about what the impact would be on this court case, on the politics, if they decide they're going to fight this all the way to the Supreme Court.
It's unpredictable how that goes if it's appealed to the Supreme Court, but you said it. It takes time. It can cause delays. It draws out the clock. And that's what Trump's been trying to do here at this courthouse. Expand the clock. He wants this trial pushed till after the 2024 election. It's on the calendar for about 4 months from now, but these types of appeals do threaten or raise the prospect to stretch out the time frame, push things back, whether they're successful or not.
All right, Scott, thank you very much.